Our buddies at Barilla Pasta are launching a limited edition Summer of Pesto collection inspired by their creamy Genovese pesto and rustic Basil pesto. The collection includes pasta, jars of pesto, recipe cards, and some trendy limited edition items. And you can't buy these, which is crazy. You got to make enough to sell. Inflatable snack tray, a bucket hat, a beach towel, and a tote bag. There's the inflatable snack tray, and it's really just an inflatable floaty with a place to put drinks and a tray in the middle, which is kind of cool. This is the beach towel laying here with this pattern on it. Oh, there you can see it real big right there. And there's the tote bag and the beach towel. Bucket hat. Bucket hats again. People love bucket hats. I mean, it's totally custom printed. It's fantastic. It matches their packaging, which is awesome. Matches the little cookbook they have there and the jars of pesto. The colors are all lined up. So why don't you have the merch available for people to buy after the fact? I don't get it. You had to enter a chance to win within a specific time frame. The collection cannot be purchased separately and is only available through the giveaway. Now, maybe they give away 1,000. Who knows? But again, I think it'll leave people disappointed. And, who wants disappointed customers? Not me. In fact, I'm disappointed in them that they didn't decide to offer it for sale to anybody.